Dennis Ruffin, worked for Cobb County Government just outside downtown Atlanta, and I administer AIX servers. I do a little administration with Windows servers. Grew up in an area in Virginia where many of people who didn't go to college, their career path was to go work at one of the neighboring plants. I took that gap year and I got a job at one of the plants. I used to walk by the computer room and I would see the spinning tapes, and I was always intrigued by that. But I knew I didn't have any kind of qualification to ever work in them. But the manager there, I just was always wave at him. And then one day I remember asking him, and I was probably every bit about 20 years old, I asked him, I said, what would it take for me to get a job in this computer room? He said, do you have any experience? Like, nope. He said, you go to college? He's like, nope. He said, well, I'll tell you what, if you go and get you some credentials, come back and talk to me. I really kind of thought about that, and a few weeks later I went enrolled in the area community college, and we had a data processing curriculum, and I signed up for that, and I got my grades back. I was so excited, so I went back. You know, this was maybe like 3 months later. I went back and I showed Red. I said, look, got my first report card. And he said, well, when do you want to start? And I was like, wait, what? Felt like I was fortunate to be on that wave to see, you know, a lot of the evolution of IT, you know, going from an environment the size of a football field that had multiple drives and DASDs and storage devices down to something that could fit in the palm of your hand that could house the same kind of data. And I look back over my resume over the years and say, wow, I've really done a lot. I know a little bit of stuff about a lot of stuff, you know. I really like helping people. I like hearing other people's stories. Because we're social beings, I think just socializing with other people is pretty much where I get my inspiration from. So I can't think of a different field that I probably would have selected, you know, if I go back, you know, 25, 30 years, because like I said, this one is constantly evolving. It's international. You could always find employment in it. I think it's a good field to be in.